Good morning to all of you. Now, in the physics class for class 10, we have the chapter electricity, and electricity is what? That is the flow of charge through any cross-sectional area per unit time is known as electricity. The word, the flow of charge. First of all, we must know what actually is the charge. So charge, here, see the first of all, charge. What is charge? Charge. Charge is what? That is, it is the property. It is the property due to which, property of the matter. Property of the matter due to which electricity or related effect is produced in it. That is the charge. Charge itself a property of the matter. एक लक्षण है, वो कैरेक्टर, वो लक्षण, वो नेचर जिसके द्वारा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या उससे रिलेटेड इफेक्ट इज व्हाट? द अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन द टू अपोजिट चार्ज, द रिपल्सन बिटवीन द टू लाइक चार्ज. These are the phenomena, and the charge which have the field, that is the region or the space around it, that whenever the discharge will come at that region, either it will experience the repulsion or attraction. So these are the influences, these are the effect of electricity which is produced on the body, and that character is known as electric charge. Whether we say the charge or electric charge, it may be written as electric charge. So electric charge is the property. Now, how can we say that particular is the charge? That means charge is also have the property. The electric charge, properties of electric charge. First one is the quantization of charge. Number one is the quantization of charge. Now, how we understand the quantization of charge? That have the two meaning. इनका दो मतलब निकलता है, दो बात पर ये पॉइंट आउट करता है, दो बात को समझाता है. कौन? Quantization of charge. The sense of the charge, the distribution of the charge in a conductor, one sense. Another, how much is the charge in a conductor. So two important things that we will notify in the quantization of charge. That is, the charge is the discrete distribution of the charge throughout the matter. तो समझो, यहाँ पर बात को समझो कि अगर हम यहाँ पर क्वांटाइजेशन ले रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स किसी भी कंडक्टर पे, सपोज इट इज ए कंडक्टर, ये कंडक्टर है, तो इस कंडक्टर में चार्ज का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कोई पैटर्न के साथ नहीं होगा. हो सकता है कि कहीं पर निगेटिव बहुत है, कहीं पर पॉजिटिव है, तो ऐसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मान लो है. That is the discrete distribution, not the continuous distribution. Charge does not arrange in a manner, and that is called the quantization of charge. One sense that the discrete distribution of the charge not continuous, that is called the quantization of charge. And second point, what it says, that how much is the charge in the conductor. इस कंडक्टर में कितना चार्ज है, So that is known by the relation Q is equal to plus minus NE. Now plus minus NE, that means we calculate this thing. How much is the positive charge here? How much is the negative charge here? So quantization of charge that represent the where n is the integer, where n is the integer and E is the basic charge, and E is the basic charge. तो बेसिक वैल्यू अभी क्या हम लोग लिखे थे? E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now that means Q is equal to Ne. That Q is the total number of charge in that conductor, which is the N is the integer, that may be 4, 5, 6, 7 like this, or E is the basic value. That represents the total amount of charge, and this complete relation is known as quantization of charge. Again, follow it properly. It is the one major property of the charge. Earlier I told charge itself a property of the conductor. चार्ज खुद ही एक प्रॉपर्टी है, लेकिन उसके प्रॉपर्टी में भी उसको कैसे पहचानेंगे? दैट मीन्स उसका भी अपना कोई लक्षण है, उसका भी अपना एक प्रॉपर्टी है. उन सभी प्रॉपर्टी में सबसे पहला प्रॉपर्टी हम लोग देख रहे हैं क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज. दैट क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज मीन्स द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ चार्ज इज नॉट कंटिन्यूअस इन ए बॉडी, इन ए कंडक्टर, and the net value of the charge is the Q is equal to plus minus Ne. पहला बात आपने कहा क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज, द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये भी है, नोट दैट द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ चार्ज इन ए कंडक्टर इज नॉट कंटिन्यूअस. द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ चार्ज in a conductor is not continuous, but it is discrete. But it is discrete. That means no pattern we will find inside the conductor. No continuous arrangement, whether it is at the top only the positive, at the bottom only the negative, not so. Or neither it is the positive one side, the negative one side, not so. The charge distribution in a conductor is randomly. Got my point? The distribution of charge is random in a conductor. No particular pattern will be found during the distribution of the charge. One point. Second point, it will give the, means the quantization will give the total value of the charge in a conductor, and that total value of charge is the sum of the integer to the product of the integer to the basic charge, and the value of the basic charge we know that is the 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now this is the relation by which we calculate the total number of charge in a conductor. Let's see how much charge is required, how much charge in a 1 coulomb, how much number of charge in a 1 coulomb of charge. That is the one example question. One question to understand this relation. To understand this relation. The question is how much is the number of charge in 1 coulomb? How much is the number of charge in 1 coulomb? एक कूलम में 1 कूलम 1c, एक कूलम में कितना चार्ज है? That is the question. That is the relation. Question we have to calculate. Now we have the relation Q is equal to Ne. We can calculate very simple way. Solution is what? That is Q is equal to solution. Q is equal to क्या है? Q is equal to N into E. So the charge is how much? 1 coulomb. That Q has the value 1 coulomb. यहाँ हम लिख सकते हैं since Q is equal to 1 coulomb and E has the 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So कितना नंबर है? How much is the number of charge in 1 coulomb? So we calculate this one by simple way. We have to calculate the N. So here it is Q by E. Now it is simple to calculate. How? देखो बेटा, यहां पर ये आ गया, कितना आया यहाँ पे? Q का वैल्यू कितना है हमारे पास? 1 coulomb. By E का वैल्यू कितना है? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This coulomb unit cancel. No unit of the same character. It is the ratio of the same character, so it doesn't have the any unit. It is only the number. And now we can calculate this one. This is the 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. That is the number of charges. So on that case, it is very simple. 10 to the power minus 19 move upward, and that is the N is equal to 1 by 1.6, and it is the 10 to the power minus 19. In place of this, it is 19 only. So you calculate, point will be removed. So 1 point will remove here from here, and we calculate it is like this 6 point. That 100, it is the 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. This is the number 18 is the number of charge here that we calculate. Is it so? So in this way we come to know the one major property of the charge, and that major property is the quantization of charge. So what we study here, that is the first of all, for the flow of charge, actually what the charge itself, charge is the property of the conductor or matter. How can we understand, how can we follow, कैसे हम समझेंगे, कैसे हम जानेंगे कि वो property ही charge है, that means it had also its own character. So पहला property हम लोग देख रहे हैं क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज, और इस बीच में हम कुछ बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी और बेसिक बात भी हमने कहा, वो था कि चार्ज स्केलर होता है, चार्ज का वैल्यू 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 कूलम होता है, चार्ज का यूनिट SI में कूलम होता है और CGS में स्टैट कूलम होता है, और चार्ज दो तरह से हम लोग देखते हैं, दो टाइप का देखते हैं, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव। नेक्स्ट क्लास में फर्दर फिर थोड़ा सा प्रॉपर्टी और जानेंगे और धीरे धीरे पूरे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को जानेंगे। ओके, द नेक्स्ट क्लास, नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द चार्ज। थैंक यू।